I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to do the Wi-Fi 6 support test in the Redmi K40. So whether the Wi-Fi 6 will be supported in this phone or not, let's see in this complete video, friends. And the Redmi K40 is the exact version of the Poco F3 device as well. So these both phones are having the same kind of versions and everything. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned because I'll be doing a lot of in-depth reviews about these both smartphones in the next couple of days. And in case if you want to download this live wallpaper, so make sure to check the links in description for that live wallpaper and also follow the playlist for more details about the Poco F3 device. So I'll be doing so much in-depth reviews about a lot of other smartphones as well. So make sure to follow me regularly every day just by checking my channel because every day I'll try to upload so many videos. So let me try to go to the Wi-Fi option, friends. So right now I'm in the Wi-Fi option and this is a Wi-Fi hotspot which is created from the OnePlus 8T. So it is a OnePlus 8T which has the Wi-Fi 6 capabilities. So I am using the hotspot from that smartphone. So just to test whether the phone will be supporting or not. So if you're seeing this kind of version as a Wi-Fi 6 option here, so that means the phone is actually supported with the Wi-Fi 6. If the phone is not supported, the Wi-Fi 6 version will not be displayed. So that is a use of this one, friends, which is really useful. So right now I was able to connect to the Wi-Fi 6 and even on the top of the notification panel you can clearly see the icon. It's small, so it shows the Wi-Fi 6 connectivity as well, as you can see here clearly. So overall, this Redmi K40 and the Poco F3, both phones, they do support the Wi-Fi 6 capabilities. As a future-proof option, you should know whether both phones will be supported with the Wi-Fi 6 capabilities or not. So that's a good thing to know as well in this device. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly. So this is a very small video just to demonstrate the Wi-Fi 6 capabilities. So you can find the Wi-Fi 6 capabilities option in the hotspot, and here is the Wi-Fi 6 capabilities, as you can see. So you can even use the hotspot as a Wi-Fi 6 router as well. So that's another good advantage if you want to use as a Wi-Fi hotspot, as a Wi-Fi 6 hotspot. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and for more videos make sure to follow me regularly and see you in the next video. And don't forget to check the links in description for this live wallpaper what I'm using, and see you then. Bye.